Never again discard the eggshell. Look why. In case you have missed the memo, eggs are easily the best source of cheap and high-quality protein. We talked about the terrain of superfoods. So it is not surprising that I consume a fair amount of this humble food. What do I mean? To that at least I take 2 eggs every morning at breakfast. Whether fried, scrambled or passed by water, I must undoubtedly have my delicious and nutritious morning eggs, otherwise the day will simply not be good. And because they are so versatile, you could end up using more eggs as ingredients in the other foods. Yes, I love eggs. But something I never thought twice about was throwing the shells off. Why would I do that? I mean, what's so good about it? And it turns out they have a lot of good. You see, eggshells are made almost entirely of calcium carbonate. Yes, calcium, the mineral found in our body that is used for the formation of bones, and to aid in bodily functions such as blood clotting and muscle contractions. Consequently, whenever you peel an eggshell, you strip a gold mine of the most crucial nutrient for bone health. So, what to do? Turn those calcium powder shells that you can easily consume. Introduce the eggshells in the oven until it turns to dust. A single tablespoon of calcium powder eggshell powder will give you between 1,000 and 1,500 milligrams of nutrients, which is about 90% of what you need daily. Amazing! I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.